Hello there friends, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm just gonna go through real quick on how to create page templates. So this will be a very short video. You can call it maybe quick bits or whatever, because I have another video that goes more into depth on how to create page templates and so on. So I'm just gonna show you real quick on how to set one up. In this video, I'm using the good old CIY WordPress theme that I created in another video. So this really has nothing, no styles, nothing really. So let's just show you what I've done so far. So in the backend, I've created two pages, page 1 and page 2. And in these pages, they look pretty much the same, title and then some dummy text. And if we go to the front end and type it in, so page 1, it's look like this. Page 1, you get there, and it's simply dummy text there. And then page 2 looks exactly the same. So if you go over there, you can see there, and hello from page.php. So it means if you go to the file structure, that it takes all the functions from this page, page.php. So this is our default page. The WordPress falls back to this page if there's no other page templates or any other instructions for WordPress to look somewhere else. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create page templates. So we're not going to use this one anymore. And we're going to create two page templates, one for page 1 and one for page 2, just to show you that you can do different things on different page templates. So I have already gone ahead and created a folder for page templates. You can put them right in the root of your theme if you want, but in order to keep yourself organized, I recommend to create a folder here for page templates. And in this page template, I am going to create a file, new file, and I'm going to call it page. And this one is going to be actually page 1, and I'm going to do maybe underscore like this, page1.php. Save that one, and then I will do exactly the same here for page, and then page underscore 2.php. Okay, and in here, let's open up our PHP tag. And oh, one thing I want to show you is as well, if we go to the back end, and if we go into the page here, you can see there's no page attributes here, nothing. So we can't show, you can't even choose a page template yet. All right, so there will be a menu here after we create this one. So let's do so, and let's go back to our file and let's put up a comment. And then what you need here is to write this page, sorry, not page, template name, like this, and then the name of the template. So I'm going to do page 1, okay, and then an additional comment if you want, just write page template for page 1 in case you need a refresher there. All right, and then we're just going to do get header just to bring it in, then also a get footer. All right, so let's save this, and let's see what we have on the front end. Let's go to back end here and let's refresh. All right, and down here in page attributes, you can now see you have a template here, and you have the default template. And if you open up here, you have another option, page 1, and page 1 is the name that we had here, right? So this is name. So if I change this one to page awesome, and save, and let's go back here to the backend and refresh. So leave page, And now if we go down here to page attributes and template, we have page awesome as the name of the template instead. All right, so I'm just gonna change back here to page 1. So now we know that one is working. When we refresh, you will see again page 1. All right, now let's bring in some stuff here, because it's not enough to just choose this one here. And if we update, I'll go back here to front end and go back to page 1. All right, so we got nothing here, right? So we need to tell WordPress what to display. So in this one here, I'm just going to bring in the normal, actually I'm going to do, let's jump out of PHP, and I'm just going to put in a little header, just saying hello from page 1 page template, just so we know. And then let's go back into PHP. And in here, I'm just going to bring in the normal loop. So we have if statement there with have posts, colon, and then a while loop, have posts, then we'll bring in the post, like so. And for this one here, I'm just going to bring in the title, like this, and the content, like this. And then we have to get out of the end, sorry, the while loop. Bring in and while, then and if as well to get out of the if loop, and then just indent here so it looks a little bit nicer. And then let's save this, and let's go back to the front end. Let's refresh. All right, so here we can see hello from page 1 page template, page 1, and then we have the dummy text. Okay, now let's have a look at page 2. So same thing here. Let's open up PHP tag and then the comment. And same here, just do page template. Sorry, not page template, template name. I did the same mistake on page 1, I think. Template name, and this is page 2. And then just another comment here, page template for page 2. Okay, and then again here, let's bring in the header together with the footer. All right, then let's save this, and let's now go to page 2. All right, so you can still see here page hello from page.php. That's because we haven't chose the template for page 2. So let's go back to pages, and let's fix that. So page 2, and down here you can see under template, now you have 2 options here, obviously. So we're going to choose page 2, and then update, and then go to the front end, and let's refresh. So now we have page 2 template, and it's empty because we haven't put in anything in here. So again, let's do the same thing here. Let's get our PHP, and let's do a little header with hello from page 2 page template. Then let's go jump back into PHP here, and in here we need to again start off with the loop. So I'm going to do if have underscore posts, and then semicolon, sorry, not semicolon, just a normal colon, and then a while loop, while have posts, and then bring in the post, like this. And then in this here, I'm not going to bring in the title, just the content, like so. Oops, and that's that. Yes, let's indent that one, and then let's do and while, like so, and then end. if as well. So let's oops, no. Let's see, what did I do? Home, like this, and let's save. And on the front end, let's refresh. So here we go. Hello from page to page template, and no title, but we get the dummy text. Now you can obviously have different styles, bring in different elements like featured image, different blocks as well. So that's totally up to you. But this is just a quick look on how to get and page templates for your theme. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to stay safe and wash your hands, and also sanitize that keyboard. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next.